field tribal culture. Hangriyagadaba Sri Chauba Kamsol, Nikshinrinaba Naruchai. Born in 1953 as a noted exponent of Manipuri tribal culture and one of the most respected authorities on Kabui culture. Trained under Guru Kaumu Kamson and others in folk culture of the Kabui tribe, he has performed as folk singer and drummer at many festivals and cultural events and has recorded more than 250 folk songs of his tribe. Honored by Vivekananda Kendra Institute of Culture, Guwahati for preservation of traditional faith and culture, he has also been a recipient of Sant Ishwar Award conferred by Rashtriya Singha Bharati and Sant Ishwar Award Foundation, New Delhi. Mananda Manipur Sekara Academy Award, Tribal Culture.